This is probably one of the best videos MKBHD has done in years. I mean, come at me in the comments, but it is fantastic. It's in collaboration with this guy called Epic Spaceman, and he's a British content creator who, I mean, what he basically does is make himself in 3D. And you see, this is a 3D scene. This is all 3D here, and MKBHD demonstrates that by going like this. He turns himself into a spaceman and rotates around himself here. And he basically shrinks himself down, banana for scale, to the size of the transistors that make up the M5 MacBook Pro. And the size that we're talking about, because we're talking about billions of transistors on a single diode, right? The size that he needs to shrink him down to is just unfathomable. And I think that we saw it just there where he compares the original transistor, the one that started it all, I guess. And even at this scale, there it is. Even at this scale, there's the M5 chip. This is one transistor. This is what they used to look like in the old supercomputers that used to take up the size of a room. And this is like him, the size of a rice grain or something like that. But he goes all the way down. There's a rice grain. All the way down. Smaller and smaller and smaller. And it's just such a good
really
video.
Cool.
Such a good video.
One of like my favorite videos is like putting all the stars and galaxies in a pool and so just visualizing how big everything is. And here he's visualizing how small something is, which is like exactly. Transistors.
So this is the complementary video to MKBHD. Yes. So let's ignore that one just for now. Let's go popular. I shrunk 10 times every 21 seconds until I'm an atom. So I guess he's just talking about what he can see, think, and feel. Because I think physics starts to break down. And in fact, MKBHD says this in his video, that physics begins to break down at the level that the transistors, the size that the transistors currently are.
Around like a few nanometers, we will start to deal with the world of quantum. And this is where things like electrons just randomly move across without, you can't like gate them, which, that's what transistors are, mini gates for electrons, but electrons just teleport from a point to another point. But it's really cool to see it in action.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command.AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.